Top national headlines. Function at 50% WFH or pay fine. Delhi's mandate to all firms amid air crisis. India summons Bangladesh envoy over security concerns of Indian High Commission in Dhaka. New rural job scheme likely roll out in April. States will get 6 months for implementation. 1.02 crore names removed. Draft electoral rolls in 5 states. UTs shrink by 7.6%. Lok Sabha passes bill to raise FDI limit to 100% in insurance sector. PIL in Delhi HC seeks to increase payout to Indigo passengers. Pop woman crosses into Poonch along lock after argument with father. Indian Railways has achieved over 99% electrification of its broad gauge network, marking a major step towards cleaner and more sustainable transport. The Rajya Sabha has taken up the Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha Bill 2025 for discussion and possible passing. President Draupadi Murmu arrived in Hyderabad for her annual southern sojourn. Parliament passed the Repealing and Amending Bill 2025, aiming to remove outdated laws. The government clarified that there has been no data breach of Aadhaar card holders from the UIDAI database so far. Over 53 lakh candidates have been trained under the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana in the last 5 years, strengthening India's skilled workforce. The government said more than 7,000 crore rupees has been saved through the Citizen Financial Cyber Fraud Reporting and Management System, helping protect people from online fraud. The Lok Sabha took up the nuclear energy bill for consideration and passing. The Indian Army received 3 AH-64E Apache attack helicopters from Boeing, boosting its combat capabilities. Top international headlines. Trump expands travel ban and restrictions to 20 more countries, including the Palestinian Authority. Oscars 2026, Neeraj Ghavin's Homebound gets shortlisted in the Best International Feature Film category. One of the Bondi Beach attackers was an Indian citizen who last visited Hyderabad in 2022, police. PM Modi conferred with Ethiopia's highest honor during Addis Ababa visit. Oil rises over 1% as Trump's Venezuela blockade stokes uncertainty. Japanese bride weds AI groom after breaking off her engagement. Miss Finland's viral, slanted eyes photo stirs racism firestorm. US President Donald Trump ordered a total blockade on sanctioned oil tankers entering or leaving Venezuela. PM Modi, addressing a joint session of Ethiopia's parliament in Addis Ababa, said the global south is writing its own destiny. New Delhi summoned the Bangladesh High Commissioner to express concerns over the deteriorating security situation in Bangladesh. EAM Dr. S. Jayashankar extended National Day greetings to Bhutan. Dr. Jayashankar also met Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in Jerusalem. US President Trump praised India as an amazing country and spoke warmly about his friendship with PM Modi. The second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine will begin in New Delhi.